I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Snapchat and sign in before you change any security settings today. Verify your account email or phone number matches your current information now. You must have access to the authentication method you use to enable two-factor authentication. This can be your SMS number or an Authenticator app account. If you do not have access, stop and recover your account first through Snapchat support. Disabling 2FA will reduce your account protection and increase risk of unauthorized access to your snaps and chats. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon at the top left of the screen. Then tap the gear icon to open settings and find password and authentication. Choose two-factor authentication from the menu to view your active methods. Select the active method you want to remove and request a verification code now. Enter the numeric code you received by SMS or Authenticator to confirm. Finally, tap Disable or Turn Off to complete the removal of two-factor authentication for this account. After disabling two-factor authentication, update your password to a strong, unique phrase immediately. Choose a password with at least 12 characters and mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. If you lose access to your email or phone, contact Snapchat support to begin account recovery steps. Keep backup codes or update your Authenticator app to a new device if possible. Consider re-enabling 2FA later or using a hardware security key for stronger long-term protection of your Snapchat account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.